Hi guys, welcome to this video. This is Dr.M.MOORTHI, working as assistant professor in the Department of Software Engineering, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. In this video, we are going to see about the construction of CA engine. So the CA engine, compression engine. So this video is the continuation to the last video, that is the lecture series of an automotive engine and emission control structure. Where in the last video we have discussed about the construction and then working principle of SI engine, how the construction of SI engine, then various components, and then what are the working principles that are involved in the SI engine. So that we have seen in the previous video. In this video, we are going to see about the construction of working principle, working of CA engine. So a CA engine is the combustion ignition engine, also called as a diesel engine. So a combustion ignition engine or CA engine is an internal combustion engine. That is the one type of internal combustion engine in which the ignition of is taking place with the help of a hot compressed air. So with the help of this hot compressed air, the fuel going to start their ignition process during the combustion process. Next, the air is compressed, it gets hot, and its heat is used for ignition and the burning of fuel. Once the air is compressed and then it's the temperature and temperature is getting raised. If that temperature are heated, so the fuel going to burn during the combustion process. So in this type of engine, air is sucked during the suction stroke and then air is compressed while the compression stroke. So this is the cycle of, that is a 4-stroke cycle of the CI engine, where how the air is sucked into the combustion chamber and how it is compressed, and then how the fuel is injected into the combustion chamber during combustion process, and then how the exhaust stroke is taking place. So at the end of the compression stroke, the fuel is injected into the cylinder and it gets ignited from the heat of compressed air, and then the burning process is taking place or initiated. So this is the construction of the CA engine or combustion ignition engine. So this is the kind of construction or the constructional view of the CA engine. So it includes the various components called the injector, inlet valve, exhaust valve, and then combustion chamber, piston, connecting rod, and then crankshaft. So these are the major components is to be present in the combustion ignition engine, other than the accessory, where the injector is used in CA engine, where in the SI engine we have used in the spark plug for to give the initiation, that is to initiate the ignition process, whereas in the CA engine we have injector. This injector will going to inject the fuel during the expansion stroke or power stroke, and then the inlet valve and the exhaust valve is used for the intake stroke or the suction stroke, and then similarly the exhaust stroke, where the once the intake stroke or suction stroke is started, and then this inlet valve is opened so that the air is supplied into the combustion chamber, and then similarly the exhaust valve during exhaust stroke, the exhaust valve will be opened so that the exhaust gas is liberated to the atmosphere or the other exhaust to the exhaust manifold. And the combustion chamber, this combustion chamber includes the piston, and then in which in this case the combustion process going to take place or ignition of the fuel going to be taking place, and then piston. So this piston is moving inside the combustion chamber, whereas it has the reciprocating motion, and this reciprocating motion of the piston is converted into the rotary motion in the crankshaft. So this piston is connected to the crankshaft with the help of the connecting rod. So this connecting rod is the connecting medium between the piston and the crankshaft. Whereas the crankshaft is converted the rotary motion of the piston. The rotary motion of piston means the piston is moving up and down, and then this motion is converted into the rotary motion of the crankshaft. So this crankshaft is connected to the drive so that we can get the motion of the vehicle. So this is the major component and working of the individual the parts to be prepared with the compression ignition engine. So the piston moves up and down within the cylinder to compress air and then convert the combustion energy into the mechanical work. So this piston is going to go up and down, that is the reciprocating motion. And then the cylinder is the chamber where the air is compressed and then the fuel is ignited. And the next one is the fuel injector. This fuel injector is a device used to inject the fuel into the high pressure, high temperature air in the combustion chamber. Next, the valves. So they control the intake of air and the expulsion of the exhaust gas to the exhaust manifold. The exhaust valve to the intake valve and exhaust valve. Next one is the crankshaft. This converts the linear motion of the piston into the rotational motion. That is, the respective motion is converted into the rotary motion with the help of the crankshaft. So these are the components present in the engine. Thank you.